Hello and welcome to Connecticut Backcountry. I'm Gary. Amy came out with me in the woods today. We came out to Legend Woods Shelter in Toaks State Forest. It's one of the shelters provided by Deep for backpackers. It's along the Blue Trail to Narragansett. And out by Wise Lake in North Stonington, if you're looking for a hike, good place to go. Figured we'd take the Discada out on a test run. Haven't used it yet. And I made a new kitchen knife. It's a Serbian chef knife. Pretty nifty. Came out nice. Very functional. So we figured we'd take it up to the woods, make some chicken stir fry. Came out good. Watch along as I make it. I'm out in the woods, I'm wandering around, and I found this. Now, you probably can't see it because it's all obscured by bushes and such, but it's an old disc harrow. I am going to drag it out of there and see if I can make a Discada out of one of the harrow blades. Now, these are what we're looking for. Got a rod and a pin around the edges. It's an awesome thing. What we're going to do is we're going to mark these squares on this plate, and then we're going to cut them out and weld them into the middle. Going to take this in, we're going to clean it up on the belt sander. We did. I'm going to season this out here. I'm going to butterfly the chicken so I get it nice and flat. thin pieces. Thin pieces are easier to cook. And when it warms up, it produces its own pressure and it lights itself. One way cleans the jet, the other way turns it off. Well, they both turn it off, but one way cleans the jet too. It's a self-maintaining stove. Making rice noodles. So what we're going to do is we're going to boil the water. Once it's boiling, we'll put it in the pot and we'll let the noodles stand covered for about 15 minutes while we cook everything else up. Want the pan to be nice and hot when it starts. Use that to reconstitute the noodles. Soften them up. Chicken on. Leave that in there. So you can just separate those strips of chicken. Salt and our garlic. And I'm going to toss in the pot. Alright, we're going to toss in some soy sauce. Going to use that sort of to deglaze the pan and color it up, add a little bit of saltiness, so add a little bit of flavor. Right now our noodles are nice and soft. Pull this off. You drain the noodles. Drain the noodles. Okay, just have a quick run over. Toss the chicken back in. Come over here. Come over here. Finish this up by giving it a little bit of lime juice.
Oh, I forgot the
There we
egg.
go.
Son of a bitch.
Oops.
I forgot a couple steps, but came out good regardless. Gordon would be mad. So I saw this on Gordon Ramsay's intro to cooking something or other, and I figured I'd try it out in the woods. Try the Discada. I forgot the eggs. Sorry, Gordon. Yeah, I'm no Gordon Ramsay, but it's good. Discada worked well. Knife worked well. Let's see Gordon make his own knife. Anyway, overall happy with how everything came together. And that's that. Have a good day.